Welcome to Kettle Lab's How-To series. Today we'll demonstrate how to perform data quality checks with Microsoft Fabric Dataflows. Sign in to your Fabric Lakehouse and let's get started. We have already loaded a sample dataset named Olympic Data into our Lakehouse. To begin, we will open Dataflow Gen2 by clicking Create and selecting Dataflow Gen2. Once inside, we will retrieve the data by clicking Get Data from another source, selecting the Lakehouse name, choosing the file containing the Olympic data, and clicking Create. After the data is loaded, we will remove unnecessary columns by clicking the plus icon, selecting Choose Columns, deselecting the irrelevant ones, and clicking OK. This step ensures that we keep only the columns required for calculations. Next, we will format the age column, which is currently in text format. To do this, we will click the ABC icon and change the data type to whole number, allowing for easier age-based calculations. To standardize the gender column, we will replace the initials with their full forms. Clicking the column heading, selecting Replace Values, and clicking Advance, we will enable the Match Entire Cell Contents option, replace M with male, and click OK. We will repeat this process to replace F with female. Similarly, the year column, currently in text format, will be converted to whole number to facilitate calculations. Filtering the data comes next. For the gender column, we will open its filter, click Load More to see all options. Deselect all and then select only male and female and then click OK. To filter data for gold medalists only, we will repeat the filtering process on the medal column by selecting only gold from the available options. Lastly, we will save the filtered data as a separate file. This involves clicking the plus icon to add a data destination, selecting Lakehouse, and clicking Next. We will assign a new name to the data, choose the destination folder, and click Next. Finally, save the settings and click Publish. By following these steps, we can prepare the dataset for various analyses and save it separately for future use. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Fabric. Thanks for watching!